This is going to be a very brief overview of infographics. And why I'm using them is, well, they're fun, but they are going after the top job skills as we enter the 21st century of creating, evaluating, analyzing. And they're a visual approach. I have some logic here about why to use them. I got the idea from this book, by the way. The course objectives, why I'm asking you to use them, the 6 requirements, don't count the citation among these 200 words. I think everyone at this level knows what a reputable source is, distinguishing between real news and fake news, not to use the Trumpian term fake news. Remember PowerPoint rules. I'll have a little example at the end. I've given you here a copy and paste of how APA would be done, excuse me, when you're citing something from an online source. Okay, you have 3 infographics to do. They are in Yellow Dig. I give you the objective, tell you what to do, and always I'm giving you a choice. You can choose one of 3 here, one of 4 here, and down here, everybody will be different because everybody's in a different kind of career path. I give you links to the tools that are available and free to create infographics. They are the assessment rubric, which I've tied to the visual at the top of the page when you entered this document. These are 2 pet peeves of mine. Do not put dark lettering on a dark background. I can't read it. And this is another pet peeve. Alignment is always to the left. Please don't run things down the middle. It's really not a business approach in presentation. Well, I hope this answers some of your questions. Holler if you have more.